How to reset Instagram password if you forgot it. Let's get started. So first open up Instagram and log into your account, and now click on your profile at the bottom right corner. From your profile, tap on three horizontal lines at the upper right corner and select settings and privacy. Now from the settings page, select account center, and under account settings, click on password and security. Next, click on change password, and you'll be able to find forgotten your password written in small text under the password boxes. Click on it. Now once you do this, a password reset link would be sent to the email address that is associated with your account. So go ahead and open up your email and now click on reset your password button. You'll be again redirected to Instagram, and now from here you can enter your new password, re-enter your new password to confirm, and to finalize the action, click on reset password button and you'll be done. But once you do that, you'll be logged out of your Instagram. So what you need to do is enter your new password and log in once again. So that's it for today's video. I really hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to us for more great contents. Thanks for watching.